Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we read tackling a super important topic. How to lock down your social media accounts and keep them safe from hackers, all for free. Our social media is where we keep our memories, our connections, and a lot of personal info. Losing access can be a nightmare, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk passwords. Are you using password 123 or your pet's name for everything? If so, we need to change that right now. A strong password is your first line of defense. It should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Something like Blue $3 Kai at 2024 is a great example. And please don't reuse the same password across different websites. If one gets compromised, they all do. A fantastic free tool for this is a password manager like Bitwarden or even the one built into your Google account. They can generate and securely store super strong passwords for you, so you don't have to remember them all. Next up is step 2. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. This is a game changer. It means even if someone steals your password, they still can't log in without a second piece of information, usually a code sent to your phone. For Facebook and Instagram, just head to your security settings and turn on two-factor authentication. I highly recommend using an authentication app like Google Authenticator instead of SMS text messages. It's way more secure. The setup is similar for X, formerly known as Twitter, and your Google account. Just navigate to your security settings and follow the prompts. It takes 2 minutes and adds a massive layer of protection. Step 3 is all about being a digital detective. You need to regularly review your account activity. Check which devices are logged into your accounts. On Facebook and Instagram, you can find this under where you're logged in. See a phone or computer you don't recognize. Log it out immediately. On X, this is under apps and sessions. It's a good habit to check this once a month, just to make sure no one is snooping around where they shouldn't be. All right, let's move on to step 4. Your privacy settings. Do you really want your boss's boss or that random stranger seeing your vacation photos? Probably not. Take a few minutes to do a privacy checkup on Facebook. You can easily set your future posts to be seen by friends only, not public. On Instagram, consider making your account private. This means you have to approve anyone who wants to follow you and see your content. And on X, you can protect your tweets to do the same thing. This puts you in control of who sees your personal life. Step 5 is crucial, learning to spot phishing scams. These are tricky messages, either DMs or emails, that look like they're from a social media platform, but they're fake. They'll try to get you to click a suspicious link and enter your login details on a fake page. Always double check the website URL. A common trick is a small misspelling, like FASIBOOK with zeros instead of O's. To be safe, never click links in suspicious messages. A great defense is to enable login alerts in your security settings, so you get an email or notification anytime a new device logs into your account. Now for step 6, cleaning up your connected apps. Over the years, we've probably all connected dozens of third-party apps and games to our social media accounts. Each one is a potential security risk. Go into your settings on Facebook, Instagram, and Google and look for apps and websites or third-party access. You'll likely see a long list. If you don't recognize an app or haven't used it in years, just remove its access. It's like spring cleaning for your digital life. Step 7 is about having a backup plan. What happens if you do get locked out? Facebook has a feature called Trusted Contacts. You can choose 3 to 5 close friends who can help you verify your identity and regain access to your account. For your Google and other email accounts, make sure you have a recovery phone number and a secondary email address set up. This is your lifeline if you ever forget your password or get locked out. Finally, a few quick but essential tips. 1. Keep your software updated. That means your phone's operating system and all your social media apps. Updates often include critical security patches. 2. Never ever share your password or 2FA verification codes with anyone. Not your best friend, not your partner, no one. And 3, If you ever use a public computer, like at a library or hotel, always make sure to log out of your accounts when you're finished. By following these completely free steps, you're making it incredibly difficult for anyone to compromise your accounts. Security isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process, but these habits will keep you much safer online. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Share this with your friends and family to help them stay safe too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.